previous video about paragraph numbering in Compile, we talked about removing the restart code. Today, we're talking about putting it in. Now, this code can be used in the prefix in Compile, but it's easier to show you how it works in normal text. You may recognize this page. The code $RST put immediately before another numbering placeholder restarts the numbering of that particular placeholder from the beginning. Simple enough. You can also use the restart code, underscore, and the number code together in one placeholder. I'm going to put this in two places here to show you the difference. Now let's look at that compiled. You'll see that the two different placeholder codes together give us that numbering system, the ABC, starting again at A, as promised. However, if we look where I put that first combined restart code, the Roman numerals do restart, but there is no numbering on that line. You'll see down the bottom where I put it above the numbered list, using words, it worked fine. If you want to know a little more about numbering codes, check out this video here.